Creating a summary business plan is a critical success factor because it forces you to answer important questions about how you'll set up and grow your photography business. You know the expression, failing to plan is planning to fail. There are some critical questions that need to be answered before you start risking time and money. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley. I'm the founder of iMagine. This channel is for people that want to start and grow a photography business. I'm also releasing a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. So if you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and click subscribe. Now let's get into it. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a free tool that you can find on iMagine. There's a link in the description so you can pause the video to set it up and then follow along if you like. In order to answer the questions in the one-page business plan, you will at least need to have a business idea. If you don't have one, watch my videos about the theory of pi and business models. Everything's easier to understand with an example, so let's assume that you're going to start a photography business. Here are 5 different types of photography business, ranging from most passive to most active. Scenario 1, you just want to create content about photography. You create a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast and monetize it with ads and affiliate revenue, and you have no plans to sell the business in the future. Scenario 2, you want to create and sell a photography course, and you have no plans to sell the business in the future. Scenario 3, you want to sell photography services, and you want to sell the business in 2 years. Scenario 4, you want to sell photography products, for example, tripods, and you want to sell the business in 2 years. In scenario 5, you want to create a photography app, and you want to raise capital in 2 years. For this example, let's say that you want to provide real estate photography services. So what's the problem that you're solving? Well, it's real estate photography services. What are the existing alternative solutions? There are multiple photographers with varying levels of ability offering real estate photography services in my area. What's your solution? Well, I provide images like everybody else, but I also offer some value-added services. Okay, so how is your solution different or better than the alternatives? Which is another way of saying, what is your unique selling proposition? And the answer is, I use specialized stabilization tools to make walkthrough videos. I also offer 360 videos. How will your customers measure success? The reason you're answering this question is because you can only succeed if your customers succeed. And the answer is high click-through rates on the main image and general feedback from their customers. How will you measure success in your business? Well, satisfied customers will become repeat customers, so my most important KPI will be the number of repeat customers. What is your advantage? Which could be knowledge, experience, access, or whatever. Well, I'm not just a good photographer. I've put time into understanding what captures people's attention when they scroll through a set of images, like they do on a real estate site. This allows me to create images that create better click-through rates, and I know this is a critical metric for real estate customers. How will you build credibility and authority? I'll do it with my blog. I'll create content about what makes real estate images more clickable and explain why my 360 videos generate more interest. Who's your target customer? Well, it's real estate agents. How will you make them aware of your solution? I use Facebook ads targeting real estate agents in specific locations and a blog optimized for local search. How will you convert a portion of them into customers? Well, I'll include samples of my work on my website, and I'll offer a big discount on the first order from first-time customers so I can demonstrate my ability. What are your revenue streams? Well, it'll be real estate photography services. What's the cost structure associated with the revenue streams? Well, the real estate photography services only involve the use of my time, and there's no out-of-pocket expenses other than the cost of transport to the shooting location. Do you plan to sell the business, raise capital, or keep the business? I'm planning to keep the business. And how will it have a positive impact? Well, I'm an active member of my local community. I don't see a way to have a significant positive impact with my real estate photography, but I will offer my services for free to a local charity event. I'll also add the photos to my website to demonstrate my commitment to my local community, as well as demonstrate my ability as a photographer. What's your target revenue or profit or valuation? Well, I'm targeting revenue of $20,000 per month. And what's your deadline for achieving this objective? I want to achieve it in 24 months. And what's your pricing? I'll be charging $1,000 per house for real estate photography services. What are the startup costs? It'll be a one-time cost of $5,000 for photography equipment. What are the ongoing costs? It'll be the advertising for new customers on Facebook. And what's the key metric that allows you to reach your target? Well, I'm targeting $20,000 per month. I'm charging $1,000 per service. So I need 20 orders per month. Now click submit. And that's it. This is what the result looks like. You can edit and update all of this anytime by clicking this button. Again, you can access this free tool on iMagine, the link's in the description. Now, at some point in time, your plan needs to be transformed into reality. So how do you do it? You need to offer good products or services, and you need to make a portion of your target market aware of you, and then you need to convert a portion of them into paying customers. So how do you do all of that? First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released, go ahead and subscribe. Second, you can increase awareness by using iMagine. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on iMagine and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of this is that it's all free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things you can do on iMagine to grow your business and maximize your impact. Check the links in the description. Third, if you do decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? Well, I've created a digital agency called iMagine Digital so that we can provide you with everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things: an advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything that you need instantly set up and ready to go, so that you can get customers 100 different ways, will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, outlined step by step, for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it'll take more time and cost more money. And I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know all of this is very valuable, but you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to iMagine and create a free account. It'll only take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with information about what to do next. Then you'll have all the information you need and you can do it when the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how to grow your business in a way that it can have the biggest positive impact. The best way to do it is with the iMagine platform. I'll see you in the next video.